y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. It's been so long since I've made a sit down, talk to the camera video, y'all. I have been vlogging consistently, y'all. It never fails. Please, I don't know what they're doing out there. Just please, okay? And without fail, whenever I try to make a sit down video, the noise ensues. Yes, y'all, as I was saying, it has been a minute since I've made a sit down talk to the camera video. Your girl has been busy, whether it's with work or just reorganizing my life, trying to get my life together this summer, or I've been, you know, jet setting on vacay, whatever the case may be. But I missed talking to y'all. I miss engaging y'all in our little sit down video discussion. So we are here today. Just got in from work not too long ago. Listen, just know that I love y'all enough that I turned the air off so I wouldn't have noise, okay? But I can't control what's on the outside, but I turned the air off so y'all can hear me clearly. And look, y'all, I even touched up what was left of today's makeup for y'all. If that ain't love, I don't know what is, y'all. So I was supposed to be making a summer no-buy series, right? And I have all of the different video ideas written down, never got around to making them. And it's crazy because maybe that happened because I found this before I was able to make the series. So now it's like I wouldn't be lying if I came to y'all talk about summer no-buy when I knew I bought something. So here we are. This channel is no stranger to this brand. You saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. I have been eyeing this bag in the metallic rainbow for some time now. However, just know that one of my summer no-buy series videos will address as to why I have changed my mind a little bit on making that purchase. However, I was like, I want a black work bag. Like, I'm trying to expand my work bag collection slightly, so it's not just like city totes. And so when I saw this a couple months ago, I was like, noted, we'll circle back. However, y'all know social media ads, social media suggestions multiple times. And did it help that Nordstrom's anniversary sale put this at a very affordably reduced price? Absolutely. And so this box has been sitting in a corner for about 2 to 3 weeks now, and I'm just like, girl, make this video before you you know, mess around. It's past the 30 days, and if you don't like it, you're stuck with it. And so I figured, since today's carry was my XOXO Q bag, how fitting. I used this was my work bag today. How fitting that we are here. You put her to the side. We are here, and we are going to dig into the yummy number that's in here. Why do I hear so much jingling and jangling? Enough was my rambling, y'all. The price was right. The picture made it look very appealing. Let's see if this was worth the investment, y'all. So if you are interested in seeing what today's item is all about, a lovely, luscious, quilted, puffy tote bag that is literally right on time for the upcoming fall and winter seasons. We'll play around and see if we can make it work for the summer too. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, here we are. And since I am back in my sit down format, I am prepared because the scissors are right there. So here we have our box. As I'm flipping this box, trying to figure out how to show it to y'all, I'm realizing that my address is literally written all over the box. So I have to be careful when I'm holding it up. But let's see here. I'm not going to do, y'all know that I haven't been really doing like the full unboxing. I let y'all see me open the box and then I unwrap and do a reveal because I know y'all fast forwarded anyway. But yes, y'all, this bag, there is, okay. I'm so excited. This was the perfect way to end this day. While I'm sitting here pulling this out, let me just stop by saying, pray for the children that you know, y'all. You may think you know what they're going through, but sometimes we literally have no idea. And some kids are in situations that would like take you out as an adult. So just definitely, if you see a child that you may know, just say a quick prayer for them. Just, even if you know their life is great or it appears their life is great, just say a prayer for them. I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all. Oh, baby, yes. Okay, we can put the box away. Again, this was a Nordstrom find. The in sale. Oh, this is it in its packaging. Y'all see that squishy puffy peeking through the sides. And this is the I believe it's called the Soho Shopper Totes by the one and only Geiger. Yes, oh, yes, oh, what? I need another trip. I need to take another trip. I need somewhere to carry this. Oh, wow. Wow, let me unveil it this way. Wow. Oh. This is not a pop. Oh my goodness. It's so luscious and plushy and leathery and just ooey gooey. Yes, y'all. It is just as buttery soft as my XXL Q bag. Oh, let's put this to the side. Shall we? Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. I am so happy this suggestion came up. This is like perfection. So what I like, okay y'all, so clearly my camera is just as tired as I am. But as I was saying before I was really interrupted, what I like about this bag is its plushy and buttery soft leather that I've become just so accustomed to from all of my Geiger brand bags. I'm here for the fact that this bag has the matte black hardware. Let's unwrap it. Yes, this bag has the matte black hardware, and as you can see, the eagle head here has the black caviar crystals in the eagle head. Oh yes, 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 yes. So I feel like this is like the perfect mashup of like my it's giving me, it's reminding me of my XXL Kensington drench bag in black with the matte black hardware. If you have not watched that video, I question if you've really been watching my channel, because for whatever reason, that's like one of my highest viewed videos on my channel. I think that's even the one the Geiger left a comment on. I believe that's the one Geiger left a comment on. Like I said, I don't care that this might be somebody from his team. I see Geiger's name. It's Geiger. Left a comment on the video. So if he enjoyed it, I definitely recommend you check it out, because you will enjoy it as well. But let's get into this, y'all. This matte black hardware with these they are just, the handles are just like so buttery soft. And then we have so you get like the luxe quality, no feet at the bottom, but you get like the luxe yummy puffy soft quilted buttery nature of a Kensington or a Soho, with like all the functionality of a shopper tote. So as you can see here, we have our matte black hardware. This part here feels like microfiber or like micro suede. Oh, we have our black leather pulley, and immediately we have our large, wide open space, stuffed to capacity. Let's just take all the stuffing out so we can get into the inside. Of course, we have our yummy dust bag. Oh, let's see. Design is what we do. Kindness is what we are. Ugh, how did I read that backwards? But here we are. Oh man. And so I'm in love, y'all. I'm in love. As always, we have our Kurt Geiger story tag here. The inside is our usual Kurt Geiger lining. Let's see, how many pockets do we have on the inside? So on the side where the eagle head is located, we have our standard pockets here, 2 slip pockets. Then we have our zipper pocket here, and then let's see here, every once in a while I will use the story tag as a pocket. Like there's been times where I was able to put like gum or like my AirPods in there. Listen. And so this bag retailed for $3.65. I did not pay that at all. And so this is the Kensington, what is it? The Kurt Geiger Soho Shopper Tote in the color black. And so, like I said, you get all the squishy, yummy, puffy, luxe feels that a Kensington or a Q or my Kensington drenches offer, with the functionality of, I unboxed on this channel it's like a pink satin shopper tote by Kurt Geiger earlier this year, and I actually carried it when I went away for my birthday. Y'all, oh, this, yeah, so this will be, I bought this for my work bag collection, but y'all, this can't just be for work. I gotta use this for travel too. Gotta use it for travel too. I am here for the fact that the stitching is black. Y'all know other brands that I know and love, that we all know and love on this channel, sometimes have a tendency of using white stitching on black bags. Immediately no. So we love that it has black stitching. Man, she is getting ready to cut up, cut all the way up with this one. And so there's another one that has it's more like the Kensington style, where it has the brass hardware and the brass eagle head. I want that one too, y'all, low key, but I really feel like this one, this is the one here that, like, I'm full, I'm good. I think this is all that I need for my collection. And so, as I was saying, for the metallic version, because that's the one that I originally saw first, for the metallic version, we have to revisit that topic, because Like, as much as I'm just like, girl, just go ahead and get it and worry about the whatever later, I can't. I just have to share with you guys what I've been experiencing with my XXL Kensington metallic rainbow bag, y'all. So I feel like if that's any indication as to what could possibly happen to the metallic tote, we might have to hold our coins a little bit tighter. But I don't even know what else to show y'all about this. This is just perfect. Let me wrap this up really quickly, guys, because clearly this camera is sick of me. So our tote bag, if you want to know what fits, this was our carry for the day. There you have it. With space to spare. You want to add a laptop, you want to add a MacBook, we still have more space. Now, guarantee she gets heavy, you definitely feel the weight, but listen, we going somewhere. We're going places with this one, y'all. That concludes today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have enjoyed today's video, make sure you click that like button, click the subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. If you know another bag loving girly who would enjoy this video, make sure you share this video with her so she can also like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Again, my name is Annitra. We're different by design. We're faith and fashion connect, and you have a great week.